So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to insert Zoom in Microsoft PowerPoint 365. The Zoom function is also available in Microsoft 2019. So Zoom is an important feature in Microsoft since it allows you to easily present your PowerPoint. It allows you to jump from one slide to another very smoothly. Now let's try how to use Zoom. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, then go to Insert, and then go to Zoom. So as you can see in here, you have to choose the type of Zoom that you want to insert in your presentation. You can have Summary Zoom, Section Zoom, or Slide Zoom. So if you choose Summary Zoom, this dialog box will appear. So Summary Zoom is like a landing page where you can see all the pieces of your presentation all at once. So as you can see in here, to create a Summary Zoom, you must select the slides that you want to include and just press Insert. Now I will navigate to the next slide. So if you don't want to insert Summary Zoom or if you want to add another Zoom, then you can select Slide Zoom or Section Zoom. So now if you want to select Slide Zoom. So Slide Zoom can help make your presentation even more dynamic. So you can drill down into multiple pieces of slides or information and feeling as though you're staying on the same canvas. So it's very easy to navigate. So if you want to select the slides, then click on them and just press Insert afterwards. Now I will navigate to the next slide. So now if you want to create section zoom, so it's kind of obvious that you have to make sections in your presentation before you can apply the section zoom in your PowerPoint. So you need to first add sections. Now I will navigate to the next slide. So to know how to add sections in Microsoft PowerPoint, I actually have a separate video for this one, but so let's just have a short recap. So first, you right click the slide that you want to be in a section, just click Add Section. Then you have to rename the section to the desired section name and then click Rename. So in my PowerPoint, I actually created two sections and I already have a default section. So I can just choose which sections I want and then press Insert to create my section zoom. Here is a short demo of the steps. Please watch. So that's my summary section. Well done! Now you can easily access and navigate through your presentation using the Zoom feature in Microsoft 365. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and like button for more videos. See you!